Okra is cultivated in different parts of Rwanda, and many Rwandans are not aware on how to use okra seeds. Most Rwandans use okra pods at immature stage, and over-mature pods are considered as useless due to the lack of knowledge on the use of okra seeds. The study indicated the importance of using all dried okra seeds in daily life due to their benefits. The study shows that okra seeds, they contain protein, fat, minerals, especially higher levels of calcium, iron, and potassium. The seeds are low in anti-nutritional factors, indicating high mineral bioavailability. Also, okra seeds, they have antioxidant activity. Okra seeds have shown the highest antioxidant capacity among okra parts, attributed to their polyphenolic content. Due to the above benefits of okra seeds, researchers from the University of Rwanda conducted a study on the utilization of okra seed coffee substitute. They are going to explain how okra coffee substitute is processed. I'm requesting you to follow the video and understand the use of okra seed.
Greetings, friends. I am Marie-Gorette Mozariho, Associate Professor to the University of Rwanda, College of Agriculture, Animal Science and Veterinary Medicine, School of Agriculture and Food Sciences, and the Department of Food Science and Technology. I am with a colleague here. She can introduce herself.
Hello, everyone. I'm Tasienne Uwiringiyimana, lecturer at the University of Rwanda, College of Agriculture, Animal Science and Veterinary Medicine, School of Agriculture and Food Sciences, Department of Crop Science. As you remember, last time we discussed about okra cultivation, and now we are going to talk about okra, how it can be used as a coffee substitute. We encourage you to follow the whole video up to the end. Okra can be used in different ways, especially the okra pods. When they are still young and fresh, okra pods can be cooked as vegetables in different ways, such as in oil and in water. Always young and fresh, okra pods can be used as water beverage. Okra seeds can be used as a caffeine-free coffee substitute. As I told you today, let us focus on okra as a coffee substitute. Let us call Professor Goretti to explain more about okra coffee. Thank you.
Thank you, Tasienne. When okra pods became mature enough and dried, they are harvested, dried, and the grains are removed to be used as a coffee substitute preparation. After the grains are dried, they are roasted and milled to give a milled coffee substitute. As the regular coffee, okra coffee preparation is by infusion in hot water. The advantages of okra coffee: some people are not allowed to take caffeine, and the okra coffee is free from caffeine and can help them. Besides, it has a health benefit as it contains nutrients. The flavor, aroma, taste, and color are relatively close to regular coffee. and it is then a good substitute for regular coffee.
We are encouraging you to use okra coffee, especially for you who love coffee for regular taking, to regulate the caffeine in your body and controlling the consequences of taking a lot of caffeine. Thank you for following this video.
Thank you.
Bye bye.